We're about to commit sacrilege. I'm probably going to burn for this. Block of wood on the metal shaper. This is black walnut. It came out of a piece of firewood. I actually got several of these. It's just chainsaw cut. I did clean up the edges with the table saw, and I'm just checking squareness to the ends. Looks pretty good. Let's go for it. I don't know what this is going to do, so I'm going to start out with a 40,000th depth of cut. All right, here goes nothing. That worked pretty good. So that was just a test to see where the high spots were, and that was what, a 40,000th cut. So we're going to try another 40. I'm going to try adding a cardboard, I don't know if it would be, if you call it swarf or sawdust deflector. That's really a nice finish. I think we can do better though. I want to try that shear tool. Okay, shear tool. Well, one negative right away, it's making really fine chips, which are going to be messy. Pretty much the same finish as the regular tool, but fine stringy chips which are messy. So, well, we tried it, but I think the regular tool is just better. Yeah, those fine chips go everywhere as opposed to the other ones that just fall straight to the ground. All right, I'm going to flip this over and do the other side. Second side, we're going to start with 50 thou. The swarf really isn't that bad. They're just nice and stringy, so it's not like the dreaded sawdust that just goes everywhere. So I don't think the cleanup will be too bad. Well, that worked really good. Way better than my table saw, which kind of burned its way through in spots. But yeah, I'm really surprised how well that worked. So this is black walnut. And I've got a whole bunch of this stuff. It came out of probably a 3-foot diameter tree that blew over. You know, had to be a couple hundred years old. And my buddy cut it up for firewood. And unfortunately, he didn't cut any long pieces. But even the 16-inch rounds, they were almost impossible to lift. They were so heavy. And so I brought it home. I was going to cut it up for firewood, and then when I saw what it looked like, I go, oh, I can't burn this stuff. So I slabbed it all, and I've got different thicknesses. So I've been storing it for close to 10 years. It's all nice and dry. So now that I know what I can do with it, you know, this will make some nice bench blocks for drill bits, taps, or what have you, or other projects. Let me try a little linseed oil on there. I'm really surprised at how nice that turned out. It's hard to tell which side is the shear side we use the shear tool on versus just the regular tool. I think this is the shear tool side. It is just slightly better, but geez, you know, you really got to look at it to tell. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully I can get some more shaper videos out. Probably be after the first of the year, but yeah, things are getting busy right now. We will catch you on the next one. Don't forget that thumbs up button if you can, please. All right, thanks.